Hey there, folks. Welcome back to our channel, where we break down tech and finance topics to make your life easier. Today, we're tackling how to use Zelle with the Citibank app. If you're a Citibank customer looking to send money quickly and securely to friends or family, Zelle is a game changer. It's a fast, free way to transfer funds directly from your bank account, and integrating it with Citibank is straightforward. First things first, make sure you have the Citibank app installed on your smartphone and that you're logged in with your account credentials. If you haven't already, you'll need to enroll in Zelle. It's simple and usually takes just a few minutes. Open the Citibank app and navigate to the Payments, or Transfers, section. That's where Zelle is typically located. Once you're there, look for the Zelle option. It might be under a submenu like Send Money or Peer-to-Peer Payments. Now, if it's your first time, you'll be prompted to set it up. Just follow the on-screen instructions to link your email or phone number, which acts as your Zelle identifier. Pro tip: double-check that the email or number is the one your contacts will use to send you money. Next, to send a payment, select Send in the Zelle section, enter the recipient's email or phone number, and specify the amount. You'll see a confirmation screen with details. Always review it carefully to avoid mistakes. Hit Send, and the money should arrive in minutes, depending on the recipient's bank. Remember, Zelle transactions are usually free, but there might be daily limits, so keep an eye on those. If you run into issues, like a failed transfer, check your internet connection or contact Citibank support through the app. Using Zelle with Citibank not only saves time but also adds an extra layer of security with bank-level protection. Give it a try for your next bill split or gift. If you found this helpful, hit that like button and subscribe for more finance tips. Thanks for watching, and see you next time.